Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burnett with Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to show you one of our offerings from PJ Trailers. For those of you needing a little bit more capacity, this is a 4-foot high-side dump trailer. It's based on the 8-inch I-beam frame trailer, so good heavy-duty setup, two 7,000-pound axles. Gives this trailer a 10,000-pound capacity. All the same features that you're going to see on the 2-foot high-side dump. So we're going to have the stake pockets, slide-out ramps, heavy-duty tie-downs, one-piece sides, reinforced flooring. We'll have the weld-on steel fenders, large heavy-duty step to be able to look at your load. You can see we've got the Tarp Kit, heavy-duty 10,000-pound jack, power-up, power-down hydraulics with charger, 2 5/16 adjustable coupler. For more information on this trailer, give us a call at 800-688-8757 and visit our website at murdocktrailers.com.